What's up? What's up and welcome back to the channel. Novsight sent us another one. This time it's a truck cover, but not just any truck cover. This one's special. Like their page on Facebook and check out Novsight.com, and also like us and follow us at GaugesNGasoline, and like this video so someone else can find it. Let's get into the video.
1 minute, let me...
Where you going? You watching the GaugesNGasoline YouTube channel. Didn't even break a sweat. Alright guys, so here it is. This is Novsight's new truck cover they designed. I gotta say, I kind of like it. Got the little logo right here. The material is pretty good. It's pretty strong. They went with this light colored gray to reduce heat. So I also want to add real quick, I just got in my truck, like I just uncovered it, and as you can see, like it's 100 degrees outside right now, and I just got inside my truck and it's really cool in here. Like, it's not hot at all, so that's kind of cool. I'm pretty impressed by that. One of my favorite things about it, it's got this really soft material underneath, so I don't scratch my my custom faded paint job. You don't want to get that scratched because that's factory and it's not something you can easily get. It's something you earn, but it fits really good. They have 4 straps, one for each wheel. You just tie it to your wheel so it holds it on nice and tight. I don't know what happened here. It doesn't exactly reach my tire, but I just, even without strapping it to my wheel, the wind hasn't taken it off yet. It's got a pretty strong elastic hem that keeps it on the truck. It's got a design where when it rains it doesn't spot up your paint or anything, so I think that's pretty cool. And the way it's designed, it's got this curve here so it doesn't hold standing water when it rains. So that's another cool feature. If you could see this stripe here, this is something new they added. This is actually a reflective stripe, so if for some reason you're walking around at night and you can't find your car, well, that stripe's going to allow you to find it a lot easier. So click the link in the description below and check out Novsight.com today. Sizes come in medium and large. They also include a convenient carrying bag for you to store this away. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe, share it, and I'll see you next time.